If you want to learn how to make these cute lighting posts, please keep on watching. So I got this idea from Karen Newhart. She posted a step-by-step video to show you how to get this done. And these are all the items that I got from Lowe's, or you can find these at any hardware store that you like. I also purchased these vinyl siding clips, which I thought were fantastic because you don't have to worry about making holes in your siding or making extra pots. So for the tops, what I did was I spray painted them gray because that was the aesthetic that I was going for. Now what I'm doing is screwing the eye hook into the opposite side of the rod sockets, and then I'm going to take a toggle and put that on the opposite side as well. Now this is just going to add an extra layer of security to make sure that it is going to stay inside the rod itself. Now I'm taking glue, a lot of glue, and putting it into this empty space because you want to make sure that you're filling this area up. This is going to be the opposite side of your pole, and this is what's going to be holding your lights. Eventually you're going to add zip ties to hold the lights, but you want to make sure that it's extremely secure. Then you're going to add that into the opposite side. You're going to set it aside and you're going to let it dry while you do everything else. Now I'm using fast setting concrete and filling it up about a little more than halfway, just because you want to make sure that it's secure and it doesn't topple over with the weight of the pole. So I put the concrete, I mixed it, I put the pole in the middle, I put tape around the pole itself just to secure it in place so that it didn't move. And then I also used a level just to make sure that the pole was straight and that it wasn't crooked or anything like that. After you're done, you're going to add whatever filler you like. It could be plants, it could be rocks. I use these marble rocks just because I thought they were really pretty and they went well with my theme. And this is how it looks, and I actually like the way it looks so far. I'm so excited. Then I added the vinyl siding clips and the lights. I will link these lights on my Amazon storefront. When I tell you these lights are amazing, they last a very long time. I've already had some around my fence for like 3 years and I absolutely love them. And this is how it turned out. I absolutely love my new space. I love the fact that I have extra lighting and I can spend time with my family and friends outside. And I would definitely recommend trying this out. This was all under $200, but this is the final look. If you want to learn how